Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I will be discussing the Bitcoin price action, where we have been seeing a beautiful breakout here of this falling wedge, and I will be explaining in this video what my next price targets are, and of course the next levels that I should be paying attention towards and that I took profits on, since they have been very strong resistance in the past. And I will be as well discussing on which targets we could be looking at if we're going to see a breakthrough of these targets as well. I'm going to go over, of course, the 1 hourly candles, where we have been seeing a beautiful retracement once again back towards the golden pocket entry, providing you a very good long opportunity here. Unfortunately, I was asleep, so I couldn't take it, but I will be explaining how you could be recognizing this as well and use it to, of course, benefit from it yourself in the future. As well, I'm going to go over the 1 hourly candles here, where we're currently running into very strong resistance, and I will be discussing how we are going to see a breakthrough of it and what will be, of course, the most important levels to watch here on the 1 hour as well. And for sure, I'm going to discuss the daily candles here. The daily candles, of course, started a beautiful uptrend since forming a higher high than the previous high, but right now it's also confirming its higher low structure, looking for as well another major leg towards the upside. So make sure that you are prepared for this, and make sure that you're not going to miss out on what Bitcoin is about to do right now, because the times are, the times, Bitcoin is really spicing up here, and the time is right now definitely on our side, and I definitely think that you rather want to be bullish on the exact time of recording than bearish. So if this sounds interesting for you, make sure to already smash up the like button. Let's go for 500 likes, since we have been making a perfect call yesterday, what made the whole community over a 7% Bitcoin trade towards the upside. I personally, of course, gained 70% in my trade here. You guys are all doing 140 or 200% here, so it will be truly amazing if you can right now smash up that like button, and let's go for 500 likes on this video, since that will be truly amazing if we can reach it, and it's only taking a few seconds of your time to smash up that like button. So with this out of the way, let me go right away into the video, and let me start off with discussing first of all the falling wedge before going further into all the important details here that we're about to get discussed here. So yeah, the falling wedge. Yesterday we were, of course, recognizing the falling wedge already in the update video on YouTube, and after that, of course, I was also saying to you guys here on Twitter, this is the next pattern to watch here on the 4 hourly candles, and we were literally trading on a 37.6k here, and I also revealed that I opened a long position on the 38k here. So yeah, you can see beautiful retracement. We retraced towards the 37.6k here. I was saying to everyone, okay, you want to be paying attention towards. After that, I was saying, guys, you want to be knowing here, looks okay, you want to be knowing this, since I was saying over here, let me see, this was not the exact trade I mean, it was over here. So 8 out of the 10 falling wedges are breaking out towards the upside. Will this one break towards the upside as well here? Personally, I will be right away saying yes, since we have got a nice entry. I will be riding this towards higher prices, and it will be keep everyone posted here. So of course I traded this one towards the upside on the orange box on the top side, like you can see on that specific tweet here. That was my take profit area. It was the 40.8k here. I took some profits over there, and of course make sure to hit that follow button as well on my Twitter page if you want to be joining me with these trades, since of course we made some insane gains here. You can see it over here. I closed my trade with 70% here. Right now we'll be looking at the next opportunity, so make sure that you're following me as well here on Twitter, so you're not going to miss out on these opportunities here. So yeah, I announced that I took profits on the 40.8k here. We of course wicked here towards the 41.3k. But for me, I just don't want to be too greedy here, since if you're becoming too greedy while trading, you're absolutely going to get wrecked here. And right now I close my trade, and I will be just waiting on the sidelines, and we'll be looking at the next opportunity. So I will be already saying right now, I don't think it's a very good time to open a long position over here, since we're right now trading against resistance. And yeah, we are still about to reach our price target here. We're still, of course, an approximately 4.2% away from our price target of the falling wedge here, but I will be not opening a long position over here, since of course the risk to reward is definitely not worth it right here. So yeah, definitely looking forward towards how this will be ending here. Personally, I do expect to see a breakthrough anytime soon here, since we're knocking on this door already several times here, and we're of course about to have a breakthrough of this level once again here. And personally, since of course as well in the daily candles we have been forming in higher low, I do expect to see Bitcoin rising towards higher levels anytime soon here. So yeah, expecting another leg up here, and the price target is of course 42.5k, and I'm looking forward towards where we're heading towards. But let me then continuing this video, and let me continue the analysis here further on the 1 hourly candle, since of course I will be first of all discussing where you could have got a very good entry here, since if I'm looking to the Fibonacci retracement here, if I'm setting up this Fibonacci from swing low towards swing high, you can see that we got a very beautiful retracement back towards the golden pocket entry, the 0.382 here. And this is a very important level, like I already told everyone before, in the Fibonacci to watch here, since the golden pocket is a very strong level of support in an uptrend here. And if you're using the Fibonacci retracement, you can be catching all these moves towards the upside once again here. So yeah, we saw this retracement. If I was awake, unfortunately, it was of course for me midnight and I was sleeping, so otherwise I would have been taking this trade here. But you can be, of course, doing it yourself as well. It's not that hard. You can find the Fibonacci tool here on TradingView. You can be setting it up over here. You can use it from the swing low here towards the swing high, as you can see. And if you're setting it up like this here, let me set up perfectly. You can see 39.8k was the retracement from the golden pocket, and you could have been, of course, looking at that, and that could have been getting you, of course, a beautiful entry. And as well, you can be looking to previous price action, and if you're looking as well to previous price action, you can see here previously we found massive resistance on this resistance on this level. Will be signifying as well that we're going to find some very strong support on it, and you can clearly see here we broke the downtrend. Here we broke the downtrend. We started to move up here. Then we set a higher low, and after that, once again, we're setting a higher high with a higher low. So the 1 hour is definitely in an uptrend right now here. If I have to analyze the current trend that we're in, you can clearly see, of course, we're forming higher highs, higher lows. So yeah, I do expect that you. I mean, I will be saying you want to be trading with the trend, and already once you were seeing this high getting created here, you can see, okay, right now we're setting higher highs. So I want to be longing the dips here since we're in an uptrend, and the trend is your friend till it ends here. So that's the reason why I should have got in towards it on that time of yeah, of course, where we were retracing towards it, but unfortunately I was asleep. But that is basically how you should be trading it. Always look at the trend as well here, since of course if we're in a downtrend, you want to be a little bit more careful, since the 0.382 here could be not providing the support that you would like to see, of course. So let me move further a little bit here, and let me talk a little bit about Bybit here as well. So yeah, guys, we have been absolutely crushing it here on our channel with the trades that we were doing, and it will be truly amazing if you're going to join me, since I was asking you guys, do you want to be seeing a fresh new trading challenge where I will be going from the $50,000 towards the $100,000, and you can be joining the challenge as well. And I will be doing it with $50,000, but you can be doing it as well with maybe $100 or $5,000. But it would be amazing if you're going to join me here. I mean, you guys massively like this tweet, 200 likes, absolutely insane likes on the tweets here. So you guys want me to do this here. I will be most likely do this here in the end of August, because on the end of August, I'm going to go to Dubai once again here. I have a lot of spare time over there, so I will be analyzing the charts completely day by day. Of course, I'm doing it already, but then have even more time, and I will be focusing, and I will be setting it up as well. But how you can be joining it here is to, of course, sign up here with the link in the description for Bybit, since we will be taking all our trades on Bybit, and I will be sharing all my exact setups here, because then we can be doing it all together here, because I want to be completely transparent. I want to be showing the ups and the downs like I'm already doing right now here, since of course sometimes my trades are going wrong, but sometimes they're going perfectly towards the upside. And of course recently we've only been making good trades here, so you don't see the downs right now, but for sure in the future there will be coming more downs as well on this channel. We will be lose some more trades here. That is how trading works here. And of course with the trading challenge, I'm going to exactly show that as well, and I will be trying to do it in 2 weeks to of course get 100% profit. And sometimes you can already do it in 1 or 2 days here, but I will be giving myself 2 weeks here, since I do want to be, of course, and give myself some time, and I don't want to be having high pressure here, since of course pressure while trading is very bad here, because trading is all about patience. So it would be amazing if you're going to sign up already here with the link in the description for Bybit, so you can be, of course, joining me as well by then. And of course, if we're coming towards the date, well, I will be starting it. I will be probably making a sign up form where you can be joining as well, and I will be probably making a Telegram group here, so I can keep you guys up to date as well here. So make sure to already sign up here with the link in the description if you want to be joining me as well. You will be getting a very beautiful bonus here, an approximately $2,000 deposit bonus here on Bybit. And I mean, you could be already joining me with the trade, since of course we are giving all these trade signals once again here. I was saying it as well over here. Once again, we did it all together, since of course I warned you guys all about it, and you guys joined me as well, and I was here 50% in profit. It will be amazing if you will be joining me as well in the future with these trades here, since I like it more once we're gaining all together. And I was as well showing you and asking you guys here, show me your gains, and you guys were of course massively showing all the gains here. You guys were absolutely insane here. So yeah, that out of the way here, let me go further here into the price section. So sorry for that, I want to go back right now in the price section. So yeah, we were seeing right now Bitcoin going back towards the 41.1k here, guys, and you can see clearly if we're looking back in the past here, this one only resistance line over here provided us massive amounts of resistance over here, sorry, support over here. So this level will be, of course, a very strong level of resistance, like you can see right now on the time of recording. So you can see right now on the exact time of recording that we were getting rejected very significantly by this level, and previously we were finding very strong support on it. So I do expect really to see, of course, some major difficulties with breaking through this level. And yeah, since we, of course, right now got pretty much rejected by it, we are right now as well forming a higher 1 hourly higher candle than the previous higher highs here. So we are forming a higher high in the price action, but as well, if we're looking to the RSI, we're forming a lower high. So as well, we formed a minor bearish divergence. We already see the red candle over here. So this is a very minor bearish divergence here, and this will be probably not having a lot of influence on the market here. Personally, I do expect some more sideways action. And in the end of the day, I do expect a breakthrough of this level. But as soon as we're breaking through this level, I personally as well anticipate to see this 4 hourly target around to 42.5k getting reached here. So looking forward towards that target as well to get reached here. And as well, to just clarify it up yesterday, we were seeing, of course, this hidden bullish divergence, and people were calling me crazy that I was trading this. But I mean, once I'm seeing a hidden bullish divergence, I will be always trading it towards the upside, since these are very strong. We already formed a higher high than the previous high, confirming that we are an uptrend. Then we formed a higher low with a hidden bullish divergence. And once I'm seeing a bullish divergence, and especially a hidden one, these are very strong, I will be for sure opening a long position. So that's the reason why I opened, of course, this long position over here exactly. So yeah, definitely one of my main reasons why I opened that trade as well, of course, because of the falling wedge here. So two things coming together, more significance. I opened the trade as well, which you can see. Unfortunately, we were not holding on to the orange box here, but while we were pushing up here, we bounced back towards the orange box, and after that started to move up here, right now the top side providing resistance. But like I mentioned already, we are going to see a breakout anytime soon here, in my opinion, and then we are going to see our price target on the top side getting reached here. So yeah, let me wrap up this video here with discussing the daily candles here. So guys, today's video is a little bit of a longer video here. Let me know if you like these longer videos as well. Later on today, probably around approximately 4 to 5 hours, I will be trying to upload another video here. And let me know, do I have to be discussing Ethereum, or do I have to be discussing Ethereum and another altcoin? So yeah, I will be uploading another video, and let me know right now in the comment section which altcoin. So the comment with the comment with the altcoin that has the most likes here, I will be, of course, going over it. So if XRP has the most likes, I will be going over XRP. If it's Cardano, I will be going over Cardano as well here. So two altcoins will be coming up later today here. So make sure that you are subscribed to the channel so you're not going to miss out on it. So as well, Bitcoin on the daily candles, guys. We were seeing, like I discussed already in the beginning of the video, a higher high getting formed here. Higher high getting formed here, signifying, okay, we are starting right now an uptrend, and as well right now we're seeing a higher low getting formed here, as well confirming the uptrend. And like I told everyone before here, we could be seeing a retracement back towards the 36k, since that's a very strong level of support. Unfortunately, we were not doing so, because if we were retracing back towards the 36k here, oh man, my long positions were, of course, for sure, were set up here for a swing trade position. But right now, I did not open the swing trade position, since we were not seeing the retracement towards my target. And I will be only trading with the least amount of risk, like you guys already know on the channel. But right now, of course, we saw a beautiful retracement towards this previous level of resistance. And of course, we already bounced off it very significantly right now. And per se, we once again as well broke once again above this 40.6k level with the daily candles. And you can clearly see that today's candle is already finding some very strong support on it. What is, of course, lovely to see here, and I definitely can't wait to see where we're heading towards in the coming days here as well. EMA ribbon, of course, flipping bullish, and we are getting supported by it as well. So yeah, you can see the EMA ribbon doesn't flip that bullish yeah, several times here. You can see previously we have had a huge run up here, then we were in a downtrend, and right now I do think we are at the start of a new run up here. We're forming a higher high, we're forming a higher low here, guys. Make sure that you are prepared, since I'm expecting, of course, to see Bitcoin going back towards the 47k anytime soon here. And my main reason to say so is the 49 towards 47k here is, let me quickly enable the visible range here. Sorry for this long video, guys. Hopefully you're liking it. But you can clearly see over here, if we're looking to the visible range, is that, of course, this level has been providing us not a lot of resistance in the past here. So you can see clearly right now on the right side of the screen here, this level over here has not a lot of trading volume. So if we're breaking through this level, we could be seeing, of course, a very quick rise here towards the 48.3k, towards the 47k here, because that will be the next major level of resistance here. So yeah, make sure that you are paying attention towards it, since these levels are are almost having no volume resistance. That is my reason why I do expect Bitcoin to move up very quickly once again here as well. I mean, the market in general is developing. We are seeing, of course, Ethereum 2.0 coming closer and closer. I've been accumulating a lot of Ethereum, so I'm looking forward towards making that Ethereum update. But guys, this was it for today's video here. Thank you so much for watching here. It was absolutely a pleasure to once again be here for you guys here. And I mean, I'm so glad to see the community gain here, and it's making me feel so good here. I mean, I can't lie, I feel extremely well here since you guys are gaining from my calls here. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll check you guys in the video later today. Peace out.